In this video, I am going to show you how to create a close friend story on Instagram. This feature allows you to share stories with a select group of people, giving you more control over your audience. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open your story. Then tap on add to your story to begin. Now choose a picture or video from your camera roll or take a new one by tapping the camera icon. Once you are ready, tap on the close friends button at the bottom of the screen. Now select the friends you want to add to your close friend list. Then tap share and your story will only be visible to those you selected. Now you know how to easily share stories with your close friends on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.